When car is on, device will be on automatically and start recording automatically. When the car is outside and the car is on, it will search the GPS signal automatically also. We can click down button to switch the interface. Okay, switch interface. Even is under the speedometer guard display, the car DVR is working still. We can check it. It's still recording. When the video is recording, we can't do any setting. If we need customer setting, we need press OK to stop the video. Stop and press M button and hold. Then we can see many functions. The same, when video is recording, we can't do any setting. We have to stop video in advance. When video stop, we can click M button once to change interface. If we want to review video history, we can see this interface, the icon, and we click OK to review it. If we want to check up or down video, we need stop this video and press up or down to review again. If we press up or down and hold, the video will review very fast. Okay. If we want to delete the video, we can see this icon and press M button and hold, press and hold. We can see delete and click OK to delete. Up or down to choose OK or cancel. Click OK, confirm, press OK again. When video is recording, we can't do any setting. We need to stop it and press M button and hold. Up and down to choose the setting we need. For example, we will change the language here. Language setting, press OK and change English, Chinese. And press OK. We can try to modify the speed slightly also. Speed offset. Press OK. We can adjust it from -9 to +9. Okay, press OK. We can try to change speed unit also. Speed unit. Press OK. Change to mph. Press OK. And come back. Come to App Store and search Vjoycar. Download and open. We can try to connect camera. Press up button and hold. We can see the Wi-Fi name and password.
Wi-Fi is enabled.
Connect. And choose the Wi-Fi. We can see the camera connected. We can view camera files. This is the history. We can view the history. Here is the real-time history. Date, time, and the real-time speed. And this is the map. History, movement. If we want to quit from Wi-Fi, press up button and hold.
Wi-Fi is disabled.
Press down button and hold.
Audio is on. Audio is off.
We can see audio is on or off.
Audio is on. Audio is off.